Hello, welcome to the Snow Peak Origami Workshop. Snow Peak is a Japanese camping brand and we provide great camping experiences with fantastic camping gear. In this series of videos, we will show you how to make origami camping gear. Origami means holding paper. All you need is a piece of paper. If you don't have a square piece of paper, you can make it from normal rectangle paper, such as printer paper, notebook, or a brochure. Hold it diagonally and cut off what's left over by scissors. That's it. Today, I'm going to make a fire pit. Let's start it. Firstly, fold square piece of paper into triangle. And do it again. Then open into square. Flip over. Then do the same for the other side. Place open side for the top, like this. Then fold right half of the triangle into middle like this. Then fold top part of the triangle back like this. Then open and fold the bottom bit like this. This part will be bottom of the fire pit. If you fold wider, then you will have a larger bottom. Then open everything. Now you have a square in the middle. Make a crease of each side of the rectangle. Trying to make square into half, like this. After, trying to push into half horizontally as well. Then you have a cross shape in the middle. Now you have a diamond shape, having small pocket in between. Turn upside down, fold left into middle, right into middle, and top into middle. Flip over and do the same for the other side. Turn the right page, fold the top down, and then page back. And do the same for the other side. Now you open the fire pit. That's it. And to make a logs, cut paper into the pieces and twist. That's it. You can paint or draw your own design now. I hope you enjoyed it. Please create your own gear a lot and post on Instagram with hashtag SnowPeakUK. We are going to send a special prize for the best gear creator. See detail on our website. See you in the next video.